Okay, what's going on, guys? This is DJ coming at you with another video. In today's video, I want to show you how to record audio internally on your MacBook or Mac product because it's something that you need external software to be able to do. So let's get into the video. Okay, the first thing you need to do is if you want to record video, obviously you need to use something like OBS. But if you want to record that audio going through an external device, you have to use something like a Black Hole, which is a free software, or a Loopback, which I think is a paid software, but I'm choosing to use Wavelink. Wavelink is a good device to use because I have it's an XLR device that's hooked up to it, and I'm looking at it right now, and it has like all these added features that you're able to kind of go through and then change things. So I made some customized links that are differentiating the options for whatever device I'm using so it can record on those different tracks, and I can kind of check and customize the volume, and if I'm streaming it, I can adjust the volume levels, what's heard on stream as opposed to what I'm hearing in my actual earbuds. So after you finish working with that, you want to go down to OBS and you want to connect the device that you want to have being seen. And when you go to look at this on your options, you should see a Wavelink stream or live stream option. And when you go to Wavelink stream, you click on it and you hit OK. After you do that, you go back and then you unmute your device. And then when you play audio, it should be playing through the Wavelink device. And that's the key, because if you don't do this, then that audio that you're having, it won't be going through there. It'll literally start going through your microphone basically, and it won't record anything else. And that's kind of what you see with me talking. Basically, it's just picking up my audio from there. So I'm gonna do a test right now so you guys can have an example of what I'm talking about. Okay, that's me looking at it right there. Looks like everything's good to go there. The audio is going through. And the one thing you want to make sure of is just check the settings and to make sure everything is going through and working good. But this is the best way that I know to be able to get your audio to go through this particular device. On PC, you don't have to do this, but on Mac, you have to go through like a third party to be able to do it. And this is a way that if you already have Wavelink, you can utilize this and you'll be good to go. Okay, if you guys think this content's useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.